Duck lips for sailing selfie.
Duke, get paddling.
Row together, everyone. Wushu, you call. Row. Row. Row.
A whirlpool in the pond. That makes no sense.
I tell you what does make sense. You're so unfit because you're always on your phone.
I'm not unfit.
My weather-changing machine really works. Hashtag best purchase of the day.
Duke!
That's no way to stay fit.
I promise I'll play football with you, tomorrow.
You said that yesterday.
And the day before yesterday.
Okay, I'm on it. But first, fitness selfie. What the?
What's going on?
Hey!
You know it's just following you, right?
This is impossible.
Now to capture that stripy horse and make him my show-jumping, prize-winning pony.
That was freaky weather.
Seems to be back to normal now. Or not.
There's no escape for you, Jay. Got you!
Matteo! You're gonna get me! Out of here!
I'm working on it! The wind's too strong! Don't worry, Jay! We'll rescue you! We need to get rid of that tornado.
Why don't you just suck it up into this?
Don't be absurd, ridiculous rodent. Actually, that's a great idea.
It is? I knew that.
If we can generate enough mechanical energy to make it super powerful.
But how?
With that, spin the wheel fast enough and we can supercharge the vacuum.
But who's gonna spin the wheel? All right, I'll do it. But first, I gotta get fit. Ow!
Push! Just a little more. Okay, one!
I'm ready! Hit me!
Keep going! You can do it! Approaching maximum charge, Duke! We're supercharged! You did well, little hamster. Now let's go and rescue Jay.
You're going to be my new show-jumping pony.
No, I am not. And by the way, I'm a zebra.
Whatever.
Enough of your twisted plans, Meana.
Look, you brought a little vacuum to a tornado party.
It's a hamster-powered supercharged vacuum cleaner.
Watch this.
No! My tornado! Try and suck up my giant twister, suckers.
I think we need your help on this one, Jay.
It's team time.
Handball! Go TJ! What now?
We'll get you inside the twister, then run in the opposite direction to its spin and slow it down.
Game on!
Hey-ya!
It's working!
We did it!
Stupid machine! Stupid weather! Stupid pony!
For the last time, I am a zebra. I'm proud of you, Duke. You had to really step up today. And, Duke...
I gotta exercise my selfie-taking muscles, too.
It's going to make me famous.
I go online. I see lots of things. I wanna buy it. So I buy it. It's very easy. Very easy. I love it. I want it. So I just
They love me! My song's brilliant. I'll play it for you live later.
Duke, are you gonna play football with us?
Can you hear
I can't
us?
hear you!
stop listening to your music and join us.
I'm listening to music!
Take your earphones out.
I've got my earphones in!
Oh, forget it.
Ow! Why didn't you warn me?
We're going to fix the ball, and we'll be back in a few minutes.
Hey, you people! Listen to my hashtag Global Smash Mega Hits.
I've got lots of stuff, but I want more stuff. So I buy that stuff. And even more.
Lots of stuff.
Duke? What's happened? Meana released a pop song that is turning everyone into zombies.
We've got to stop anyone else becoming a zombie.
Let's go!
Everything's ruined.
And all the ice cream is melting!
At least things can't get any worse.
Yes, they can.
Free concert starring me!
Quick, cover your ears! Come on, Duke!
I want this. I want that. Buy it. I buy it. Buy it. I want this. I want that. Buy it. Buy it.
I can hear the song!
Buy it.
I have to dance!
No, you can't. Oh, can't stop.
I've got lots of stuff, but I want more stuff.
Guys?
Buy it.
Meana!
I buy it. Buy it. I'll buy it all now. I'll buy it all now for me.
Thank you! You all have such great taste!
Guys, talk to me! Most of the team are Meana's zombies. Hey, looky. Say, Jay, can you repeat after me? It's team time.
It's team time.
It worked! You're not zombies anymore!
You have shown surprising intelligence, shallow hamster.
Now I'm gonna put my song online so everyone in the world can enjoy it!
We can't let Meana get away with that song.
I'm working on it. Focus the magic on my go-kart.
Good thinking, buddy. I'm driving. Time to stop this pop princess. Bring her down, Duke.
Hey, yeah!
You'll never hit me!
The power of pizza!
No, not pineapple!
Yeah!
Who puts pineapple on a pizza?
Look what you've done to these people.
They love me, and they love my song. Hashtag zombie fans are the best fans. Everyone who hears my song is totally under my control.
I'm gonna pull a plug on this zombie paw.
Hurry, Matteo.
No!
Fight it, buddy.
I'll buy it all now.
I got you covered.
Credit card. I don't really need it. Hashtag I have a pony. I need some. But I really want it.
Oh, Team J! You'll never win! These zombies can't help themselves.
Almost.
Whatever. All I have to do is upload my song and everyone will become hashtag Meana zombies.
We can't let that upload finish!
I'm on it.
Yeah!
No, my song! Oh! Wait, where are you going? Come back! I want this, I want that. Buy it, buy it, buy it! Adore me!
5 ice creams, please?
The ice cream melted. How about 5 milkshakes?
Cool. It's basically the same.
Yeah, yeah.
stop this van. So, who said I couldn't stop a runaway van?
Ha! You challenged yourself to stop that van.
But did you see me heroically stop it?
Hey, team, who wants to try to spin the swings all the way around?
Sounds like a challenge.
Yeah, maybe calm down on the challenges, Jay. Let's just play.
Most impressive. No, this way. This way. Oh, so sorry. It's an old naval injury. If only I had your strength of haunch and hoof. But how rude of me. My name is Hannah. Excuse me. I ate a mildewy prune that disagreed with me. My name's Hannah Jew Millball. I'm an admirer of your work. The way you saved that child from that runaway vehicle.
That's just me. I can't refuse a challenge.
There really should be a statue to celebrate your heroism and daring.
Statue, huh?
That platform over there would do it, but it does look rather challenging to climb up onto.
Ha! How's this for a statue?
Freeze! That's the pose. It's heroic, majestic even.
Really? Huh, I can't see anything.
I bet you couldn't hold that difficult pose for very long. Not even you could rise to a challenge like that.
I can hold this for ages. I never back down.
Care to shake on it?
Challenge accepted.
Next time, I'm the head.
You won't trick me so easily. I have never lost a challenge.
By the time that ridiculous zebra realizes we've tricked him, we will already have captured the whole park for ourselves. Just look at all those pretty trees and flowers. They'll be the first to be squished when we build my new laboratory.
And the pièce de résistance right in the middle. The Zebra Zoo.
Zebra Zoo?
Mildew must have used his freeze ray on him.
Boo! What? Ice cool free skills, huh? Hannah Millball challenged me to stand like a statue. I'm gonna show him.
Hannah Millball. But that's Mildew and Hannibal mixed together.
Nope. This was a tall guy with a disobedient leg.
They tricked you, Jay. You're in a cage.
No.
Just look around, you silly.
If I move, I lose the challenge.
What was that?
I moved. I lost the challenge.
Doesn't matter now, Jay. Mildew's busy tearing up our park.
I've never lost a challenge before.
Nobody loves your challenges more than me. Can Jay eat a full-size ice cream sculpture of himself? Got a ton of views. But Mildew is about to destroy our house, too.
Soft green creatures of the world, I will be your avenger.
No more challenges. It's time to save our park. In fact, it's team time. Handball, who? Go Team J!
Well done, Jay.
Score!
All in a day's work.
The vines have made my paws green. Now we can restore the park.
Awesome!
Let's go save our park.
Grow strong, little flower. How are we going to stop him, Matteo? I'm working on it.
Jay doesn't need a house when I've made him such a cozy zebra zoo.
Back off, Mildew. This park ain't big enough for the both of us. Actually, it is, but not if you keep destroying it.
I see you failed the challenge, Jay.
I don't need to win every challenge, Bird Brain.
How very dare you!
Say goodbye to your house, Jay.
Sweet vine tying skills, guys.
Ha! I challenge you to race our hovercraft. If you win, I'll tidy up the whole park. But if I win, you stay in the zebra zoo forever.
Real heroes don't back down, Jay.
No, I refuse.
Mildew?
Well done, Jay. Saying no is brave.
Thanks, team. Going up?
No, 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 no. Behold The freezer!
Very original name as well.
Once I've frozen the rest of you, I'll add you to my collection of pointless art!
I don't want to live in Mildew's lab, guys. It smells like feet.
Hey, Cami, think you can lodge one of your footballs into his freezer?
55, 56, 57.
Get your head in the game, Cami!
64.
I think we need to get her head out of the game.
Your magic will be mine!
Oh, I told you to go for the longer cable, but no!
It was a half-price special! We'll be back as soon as we have a longer cable.
99, 100, 101,
Oh, Cami, that was a little too close.
399, 400. A new record.
Cami, there are more important tasks at hand.
Like what?
Like not being turned into statues and smelling of feet.
You have a huge project due tomorrow at school, and all you have been doing is trying to break records.
No, I haven't.
You're doing it right now!
Say, guys, why don't we just team magic up my schoolwork for tomorrow?
Nope.
Not gonna happen.
Team magic is only for emergencies.
Fine. I guess I better get started on my project.
That should do it.
How long is that cable?
Long enough.
As long as your list of failed attempts to capture that zebra?
I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that.
Guys, guess who's finished her school project in record-breaking time?
Is it Wushu? I bet it's Wushu.
Ta-da!
I like how you've made it so...
Rockish?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Guys, it's so much more. Just wait until you feel what it does.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm in.
Hand poke, hoof, go Team J! Oh.
What's going on?
We seem to be frozen like the stone Cami was holding. You tricked us.
I've always known there would be a statue of me one day, but not like this.
Why is she looking at us like that?
Practicing with actual players will be way better.
Cami, your project.
Forget her project. I gotta go. If you know what I mean.
Come on, Cami. Don't leave me hanging.
Still gotta go.
I'm back. Prepared to be... frozen? Oh, this is too perfect.
Cami, this is real bad.
We're sitting ducks.
Guys, relax. Mildew has terrible aim. There's no chance he could ever... Whoa!
Gotcha. Now to use my net launcher to bag him and drag him back to the lab.
Nice, genius. Have you considered batteries in that unplugged brain of yours?
Ow! We'll be back.
Have you heard of solar power? No.
This is all my fault. I'm really sorry, guys.
Still gotta go.
I think I got a plan. Just follow my lead.
We're back, and we have long cables that are plugged in.
Such a pity that you've got terrible aim.
What?
You've been missing us with that freeze ray all day. I bet you couldn't even hit that tree over there with a football.
Oh, really? Just in here, like this.
Lucky shot, but I bet you can't hit that goal over there.
I bet you can't hit my chimney and could do with a little nudge to the left.
Easy.
That tree?
At this?
See?
Handball, who?
Go Team J!
Oh!
Let's try this again. Cami, think you could lodge a ball in Mildew's freeze ray?
You bet!
Thanks for the target practice, Team Stupid.
Burn.
Oh no! This is it!
Good news is I no longer need a go.
What?
I told you to get the trip-proof cable, but no! I milled you. I don't need to listen to constructive criticism.
I'm proud to say I finally finished my project. Ta-da! The project was to make something I couldn't live without. And that's you guys.
Still waiting for that high five.
404, 405,
Cami!